Splawn's on the stage. We're at a baseball stadium. Pull up. See where we're gonna set the stage up. I got the gear trailer right there, or gear truck. The stage is right there. We're getting ready to set it up. And this is the pad we're supposed to drive on. And we will be setting the stage up on pitcher's mound. Alright, here we are. Hey y'all, Splawn's on the stage, get set up right here. We are at, got beer. We are at Claremont Health Park. And right now we are unloading some gear. Check it out, Scott's setting up lights. Alright y'all, we're getting ready to get crunk. I'm gonna crank this thing up right here at the baseball stadium. Alright y'all, Splawn's on the stage all set up. We are waiting for power generator to show up so that we're gonna have power. There's Mr. Scott Splawn right there heading down this way. Scott Splawn. Boy, when you zoom this camera out, it's real wavy. Don't mind that. And this is where we have FOH, distro, lights. And there's Smitty, our sound guy. This is where we're staged up today. Big baseball field. They got these things set out for us, so we can drive up in here. We don't want to ruin their perfect, whatever you call that. It's fake, but this is it. This is it. We are getting ready to get power here shortly. And the band will roll in and they will set up and we will be ready to rock. Splawn's on the stage, y'all. Budweiser.